This is Ty. I'm going to check out Hawaiian Falls Water Park in Pflugerville to see the progress. Today is June 4th, and the park is supposed to open this Saturday, which is June 7th. And I just want to see how it's going so far. So I see the long slide, a couple of windy ones. Definitely no parking lot yet.
Facebook and Twitter. It's really easy.
So right now it just looks like a whole bunch of stilts, kind of. I'm gonna go to the other side of the park. It looks a lot more complete on this side. I see water is actually inside of the park already for some attractions. I think this is the entrance toward the park on this side. So my assessment is that it probably won't open on June 7th as planned. I don't even see it opening next weekend on the 14th. A miracle could happen. It could get finished in 2 days, but I guess we'll see.